Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always tuning in. I really appreciate. Today, the first time you are coming across us, so you are hearing this voice for the first time. We still remain Progress News and we give you all the latest updates. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and I'll be right back.
Not the person wey chop belle full na him go dey sing national anthem. Me wey I dey here, I no want to learn am and I don't want to know now. Nigeria, we hail thee. Now only wetin I know. Finish and clear. I don't want to know because it does not put food on my table. If the time wey we dey for school, say we dey sabi sing and say the one wey we dey sing before, say we sabi am. I pledge to Nigeria, my country, to be faithful. The rest now you go to the rest they go to sing. You go to hum the phone. Who national anthem? Not be like Nigeria national anthem. Which kind of wahala be this? When I go, they put. See, right now, see this so now they are putting it as a mandate to these police officers to sing this national anthem. You know, there's the people will be say they don't see money to pay school fees for their children. Some of them will be junior officers. Their salary is not enough to take care of the children. House rent, they there. Their mates, they go abroad for medical checkup. Then which time you want to serve? If they drop and anytime where they want to sing national anthem, make una they play the one where they don't record. That's music, that hymn where they don't record. Make una they play them. Yesterday when I got for inside motor for National Stadium, happy for where? For Abuja. I know what to talk about Tinubu way for yesterday. I don't want to talk about him. He says, Shegun Isaac, I see you, my brother. Yeah, that was Nigerian police, the way they sing national. All of them carry they look out for phone and they get book where they wait, make I play them again. Make it not be like say those of them we just join. And they have one thing. See that one with book. That one go there for with phone. If not to collect bribe for road, they sabi how to. They sabi 2,000, 1,000. Nigerian police would I do correct. Come on there. See this hungry police officer. See this one. See this one. Hungry police officer. See. See, she now 2-star you get, so not be 2-star. You get 2-star. Yeah, people. Now the people where they go street now, they catch innocent children for streets. Go put them for gallows. Hungry, they buy everybody, they go. When they sing national anthem. When not fit protest. Yeah, make we tell ourselves the truth. Even if you serve the institution, we should be able to speak. Those who speak for you should not be molest. Do you understand me? They said a guy was arrested yesterday or something. They say one of Showore guy was arrested ahead of protest. Why will you do that? Come, una will be police officer and police or these institutions. Una know the thing say these people are really fighting for the future of your children. Don't you think? Okay. Are you a police officer watching me now? Or your father is a police officer, or your uncles. If you're a police officer or soldier watching me, think. Just sit down and think. Give yourself time after this video. Think and say, are these people, what they are saying, really fighting for my rights? Don't follow the government propaganda. Like Showore have been locked up, molested, and kept in Nigeria for quite a long time. Think. Now they go arrest her, now they molest her, now go they pursue her, now they shoot her. Think, is this guy not really fighting for my future and the future of my children? It's really. Showore came out and said, you deserve more than 200,000 as a minimum wage. Was he wrong, all right? Now NSC don't come. They fight for the same amount of money that Showore was saying. Okay, let us keep Showore one side. Let's talk about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that is locked up in your DSS right there. Don't you think that this guy is really fighting for the future of your children? Nothing lasts forever. You can be the DSS officer, the highest rank in DSS. You can be there for 10, 20 years. You will never be there forever. Our generation are getting lost. So, some of you rich men, you think, you know, say now, you know, they do us will be poor man. Oh, you have American citizen, your children are American citizen. You have house in America, you have in Europe. Whatever, anyhow, when Nigeria won't be, make it be. Let me tell you, your children are nothing, but they are in exile. When they talk say somebody is in exile, that's understatement. Us, where would they see? So me, I don't talk many times. Now I escape. Not be travel. Those people where they say that they jackpot, now I escape. That's an escape. That's not traveling. Not everybody wants to leave the country. Me, where we leave the country, we're supposed to come back and invest in the country. But the economy is not smiling to us. We've seen a lot of people who come back and at the end of the day, the money goes back to zero. If police not put you for trouble, vigilante go put you for trouble, kidnappers go put you for trouble, transport go put you for trouble, accident for road, all those things are just mixed together. That makes us a potential victim of circumstances. You can laugh all you want as a soldier. Like, oh, everything is all right. Waiting those people are, those IPOB, waiting did they do, sir? Waiting they worry them. They are causing chaos. Don't, first of all, relax yourself. Don't go by the government propaganda as a soldier. Don't go for the institution propaganda as a police officer. First of all, think. Listen to those people. Go and follow those that are agitating on social media. You don't have to do it with your colleague. You don't have to do it at work. When you get home in your bedroom, go and listen to what they are saying. Are they preaching violence? Are they really preaching violence? No. I'm going to tell you guys, when you listen to the government itself, governments want to play the role of relevancy. They are happy where they are today because they are able to ship money abroad and they are earning a lot of money. They don't care about the common man on the street. The common man on the street. We have the middle class, the rich and the middle class, then the poor people. Abroad, there's nothing like poor. Now, the rich and the middle class, that's it. All those who go they see for street, now people will no one walk. And they tell you now. All for Europe, for America, forget about those things where they go to tell you now. So those who there for street, those who there for streets now them want to day on the street. There's job for everybody in America. So is somebody okay? What I'm doing now is it not a job? Some citizens they work with us. They do this job. If you don't get certificate to work as a nurse, doctor, you do the job available. Go to the hotel and take a job. If you're serious at all as a citizen of a country and you don't go to school at all, go and get yourself small knowledge. You can be a manager of a hotel, a manager of a restaurant. There's job available for everybody, whether you know how to read or write or not. There's job available. That's what makes them, everybody's middle class. Because the minimum wage and living wage is okay. Somebody who is earning $4,000 in America, he go see motorway, go buy $2,000 for road. As they collect in salary. Now so he go just go buy one motor, they ride, they go. Yeah. Now what make them middle class? The rich, middle class, the rich and the middle class, yeah. But when I own that, the rich, middle class, the poor and the poorest poor. In fact, when I own that for the rich people, the middle class now those where we say they collect huge amount of money. In some of the institutions, maybe they collect like 1 million, collect like 500,000 per month. Then the poor, now those where they collect 50,000, 30,000 as salary. And the poorest, now those where we say they don't know what they go chop in the morning. They don't know what they go chop in the night. That job where we talk say is supposed to be available. Okay, just now people will say if you give them any job, they go take them. But there's no job for them. I'm challenging you as a police officer today. I'm challenging you as a uniform man. All the uniform. Think. Go and listen to Mazin Nnamdi Kanu broadcast. Does his broadcast look like somebody that don't like you at all as a human? Does his preaching and broadcast look like somebody who don't like humanity? Go and check Simon Ekpa where all of una they shout. Go and check. Listen deeply to his broadcasts. Listen to when he talks. He's trying to save all of us our life. Those who are in power don't like you as a military man. Yes, because you are working for them. They tell you when to wake up. They tell you when to sleep. They tell you when to have babies. They will tell you when to travel, and they tell you when to come back. Fine. They control you. But they shouldn't control your emotions towards another human. That uniform you're wearing as a soldier is to protect the society, the country as a whole. You, police officer, that uniform you're wearing is to protect the citizens, not to extort the citizens. When you see people protesting peacefully, and they will tell you just do. God, come on. What kind of country do we live in? They bring national anthem. When I come, they record and can't even put them. You know, these people, I mean, something is wrong. I mean, all of us know well for that country. You know what I'm saying? People are really sick. You don't put this. Come on, tell me any country when they go themselves like this. You know the shame. Tell me anything when you hear for this thing. This is what you're doing. Go indoor and learn. Then you come back and show the rest of the people how to do it. This is a shame. They are not ashamed of themselves. They come the video and you carry. Come on, guys. Get out of here. National anthem. Oh, okay, they say the national anthem is going to put food on the table. Let's see when the national anthem is going to put food on the table. We're going to wait and see, man. I'm worried. Trust me. God of creation. Shegun Isaac, my hand no dey there. You say make we check this police officer. There's nothing to write home about. They are extorting people. I tell you a story of a guy, Andrew, last week when I was talking. Oh, Nigerian police is corrupt. In every country, make I tell you now, people know they like police. In America, Americans don't like police. In Britain, people know they like police. Normally, everywhere in the world, people don't like police. There's nothing where go make people are not friends of police. For one reason or the other. I quite understood that. But Nigerian police is the worst police ever. They have done the unthinkable in that country. I talked about Andrew the other day. Nigerian police, when they see people with, God. I don't see a lot of people with things where Nigerian police don't do. And people wait there for prison. Waiting they don't do them. I'm not so articulate in telling stories. If I say I did articulate in telling stories, I for bring some stories, maybe I will try. There was this one Yoruba guy from MFM. I know many of you will have watched that video. A lot of things went on and on and on. That guy spent 9 years. Not just only him. Just because he found one of the other pastors coming out of Juju man house. They framed the man up. And our journalist is also a problem. As a journalist, you see, the journalist should be independent. Because many of those people want to see where police, they put guns for their front. They are not armed robbers. A lot of stories make me understand that a lot of those things you see on TV, they are not true. A journalist should be given a time to talk to alleged victim or whatever you call it. The defendant. They call it defendant, Abi. They are the defendant. They allege that you do this, and the police will just come and talk, put parade and put guns and everything in front of people. They are not identifying who is who. The journalists will come, take pictures, and just write. They go just write. They go say armed robber. The one will not be armed robber. When we say, the one where we say they catch them for streets, say they fight, they go put them join at the armed robbers. These things are happening. I'm not making this up. All these things are happening under the nose of the institution in Nigeria. I wonder how they do sleep. All these senior police officers, I wonder how now they sleep. Oh, after I don't take other people's life, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know how they sleep. Anyway, as of now, we be military man. There's something I want to say this about things that is happening in Southeast Nigeria. Listen, make I tell you now, as a military man, you see, the government itself is not telling you guys the truth. Not be everything where they happen for that unknown gunmen. You cannot completely say they are IPOB. But you must know that people where they vex for now. Once that kind of thing happens, then they go say, yes, we are. They are going to be happy. They are going to be happy that some people are dealing with you guys. I'm talking about these soldiers where we say that they pine for East. One, make you understand, say, because you are on our guard. Sorry, guys, that's an interruption from my sorry. I beg. I see myself. Where I see myself? Okay, now I'm back. So let me conclude this. You see, those where they commit atrocities for Southeast, they are taking advantage of the things where they happen. Sometimes you have to think. There are people who is taking your ammunitions. They are taking your weapons to do business. Some people where they attack now, armed robbers, they take advantage. They come to you, and when I go to point finger to IPOB. They go to point fingers to IPOB. They point fingers at IPOB, but not be them. You have to check. They are taking the advantage. They take the advantage. When they come, they collect una weapons, carry and go sell. They will carry out to go commit crime. You have to understand that everything is mixed up. When
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye-bye.